Stop counting calories when it comes to dieting and weight loss, because insulin is a main factor that makes people put on weight. Find below the links to my last videos regarding weight loss. Now, before we start, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and share this video if you haven't already done so. Hey everyone, my name is Aisha and I'm a qualified nutrition and weight management consultant. In this video, I will be teaching you how to deal with insulin so that you can lose weight, maintain it, and not end up yo-yo dieting. So let's jump into it. The first rule of thumb is to stop counting the amount of calories you eat in your food. Because when you count calories, you end up eating more carbohydrates, which leads to insulin. And as you know by now, insulin leads to weight gain. Reason why you don't lose weight when you count calories are: when you eat less food than your body needs in order to count the amount of calories in your food, you will get hungry for sure. And this is because you did not eat enough food to fill you up, because you are trying to lose weight the wrong way. Your body sends out a signal to your brain to get you to eat more food. And you, on the other side, you try to fight your body not to give in and eat more food. But you know what? Your body will always win over you. You will end up yo-yo dieting. Now check the links below this video if you haven't seen my yo-yo dieting videos. Another reason is that what happens when you eat less food than your body needs is that your body will keep the fat and use up the lean muscles. Now, if you don't know what lean muscles means, they are the muscles that help you lose weight because they use up the calories in your body. So really, what you really want to do is to get rid of the fat and keep the lean muscles. But your body won't do this because you are using wrong method of weight loss. You are counting calories, and this means you have eaten less calories than your body actually needs. Your body is very clever, and naturally your body will come to your support by reserving the little calories that you have eaten, so that it can use it for you later in case you took longer than necessary to eat your next meal, so that it can use those calories to give you energy. Now, in order to achieve that, your body, as clever as it is, it will use up your lean muscles. Because if it does not use the lean muscles will use up the little calories. Another thing that happens when you eat less food than you need is that your metabolism slows down. And this will increase your chances of putting on weight. And this will not be good for you. Another thing is that eating healthy food are good for you. When you eat food that are healthy, it nourishes your body. And when it nourishes your body, it can prevent major illnesses like heart attack, diabetes, high blood pressure, and the likes. Now, enough talking. What I really want to ask you is that after listening to all that I've said, do you think counting calories to lose weight is good for you or not? Please let me know in the comment section below this video. Also, I have some fantastic gifts for you to download when you subscribe to this channel and share this video. So I'm going to show it for you now, and I will show you some diagrams regarding lean muscles so that you can get a clear picture in your head of what I'm talking about. Wait for it. Welcome back, and I've got this diagram for you so that you can have a clear picture of what I've been talking about. Yeah, counting calories is not good for you. I will say that again over and over. I can't really stress that enough. Do not count calories. This is really, really bad news. So here is a diagram here. I'm looking at it now, and I can see here 425, it says, yeah, counting calories, and there's a young lady here busy being stressed about the calories she's going to eat. She's counting them in her head. No rest. This is stress. This one, it says 260 calories. And look at this. Strawberries, 36. Grapes, 60. These nuts, 650. Banana, 79. She's probably thinking it's all too much. I'm not going to eat all this. I'm going to cut it into half or 1/3. And look at this guy. He's not eating enough calories, not enough food. He's hungry. His mind is on the food, constantly thinking about food. This is not good. It's not good way, not good method of weight loss. And I've talked about lean muscles. Here they are. You can see from this guy here, the back, showing all these are lean muscles. They help you lose weight because they eat up the calories in your body. Now, like I said before, when you count calories, you don't eat enough food, not enough calories, your lean muscles will go fast. So lean muscles don't end up eating up your calories. Body is very clever, really clever, and it's there to look after you. So that's about it. I hope you get what I'm talking about, and I hope you'll abide by that. And the next one is I'm going to be showing you what you can download and use it in your business. Here it is. Here it is. Lovely, lovely gift I have for you. Online business systemization. Here is a video, and this is book and video. Passive income strategies. This is good. Really, really good. Please don't joke with it. I hope you like it, and I hope you're going to download it, and I hope it's going to help you in your business. If you can't use it, give it to somebody. Yeah? Okay, now, enough talking for now, and I will see you another time. Thank you for watching. You take care now. Bye-bye.